This here is the power supply for the AirSense 10 auto set. It's a little bit smaller. This is the S9 auto set, the previous model. So you can see it's approximately about an inch smaller. So the the weight also is just a little bit, just a fraction lighter. Just a couple of things to keep in mind is that you can buy batteries, actually, portable batteries when it comes to using this particular machine, CPAP machine. The battery that ResMed recommends is the ResMed Power Station 2 battery kit. All right. So you can check with especially with the internet companies. My suggestion to you is to check with the internet companies first. A lot of the local companies that's closer to you may not carry it, and their knowledge base when it comes to batteries is limited simply because most local companies, the storefront medical equipment companies, they deal with insurance, and insurance do not pay for batteries. Okay. So and the cost of the battery as of today's date, today is what, April 2nd, 2016. It's about for a portable battery, it's around in the $700 range. So it's pretty damn expensive. So and by the way, this thing will convert for you when you go internationally. You just have to buy the appropriate adapter so that it attach the adapter and so it'll fit the socket in the country where you're going to. All right.